Hello guys, how are you? Hello again, kids of 6th grade B, 6th grade C. How are you? Good morning, kiddos of 6th grade A. I know, it's been a long time since I've seen you, Paula. Hello, Abril. Hello, Sebas. Hello, Maria Fernanda. Hello, Leo. Hello, everybody. Hello again from the people that I see you. Fine, Mau. Nice. And I see you at 8 o'clock, at 8:40. The people that I'm going to see at 12. Hello. It is nice to see you. It is nice to read you in there. Kiddos, today we will start a new unit. Today we will watch a whole new topic. Some of you already know what's the drill about because we made some activities in that. Hello, Ale. This unit it's all about creativity. Okay? Some of you ask me like, what is the inquiry statement? Well, the first of all, the name of the unit is the value of creativity in medical advances, and the inquiry statement is the role that creativity plays in science allow us to solve problems for social welfare. Yes, Abril, that's the one that you asked me. And the key concept is creativity. The related concept is function. So what is the function of creativity? What is the role that creativity plays when you are moving into like medical advances, or like when you want to make something good for the society? What is the role that creativity plays? But first, I need to know if you know what is creativity. Tell me in the comments, like the first thing that comes to your mind. What is creativity for you? When you say like, oh, you are very creative person. What is being creative? What is creativity? Tell me in the comments right there. What is it? Design. When you make designs. Very good. Yes. What else? What the first things when it comes to mind? Colors. The creativity is the solution of something or the things you put on a thing. Very good. When you make solutions. Leo says draw. So what is creativity? Tell me that. First thing that comes to your mind, that pops on your head, your personality. When you are creative, that maybe is your personality, like you have a solution for everything. New ideas, says Julissa. Creativity is when you have a bunch of ideas. Just when you have ideas for everything, like you have a solution for every problem that you had. You are a very creative person. Very good, Sebas. Again, I see a lot of hellos in there. I don't see as much as I want answers. Tell me, what is creativity? When you want imagination, creation you do. When you are creating, you don't have to create. It's not necessary like to be an art project like, oh, I'm very creative because I like to paint and I paint every day and I paint one painting every day. I have a lot of creativity. Hello, Ruben. Something or think. Okay. So when you are creativity, we can say that creativity is the act of la creatividad es la inteligencia divirtiéndose. Albert Einstein, says Paula. Wow, nice. Yes, it is. It's the intelligence, having fun in there. So the creativity is the act of turning new and imaginative ideas into reality. Is characterized by the ability to perceive the world in a whole new ways, find hidden patterns, make connections, and generate solutions. Creativity involves two main processes: thinking, and then producing. So yes, Albert Einstein goes to the right way when he says that is the intelligence having fun, because you need to think. If you have a problem right there, you have to use your mind to be creative and then producing the result. Hello, Bunny. Welcome. So today I will work with your creativity, with your mind, with your thinking process. Yeah, have a solution. Yes, to have a solution. It is really, really important to, it doesn't matter how, you need to solve a problem. Okay, so today we will play with your mind. Today we will play your creativity. I will share with you Nearpod, because I have some games for you, some mind games to put the creativity to work, to put the mind to work in here. Okay, and the producer will help me to share with you the code in there. At some point you will see it. So you will go to Nearpod and you will write the code, because I will give you some paths in there. In the comments you will see the link to go for your to the Nearpod. Thank you, Liceo. You're welcome. Yes, click in there. You can see it for you to play. It is really important that you write the code. I don't know if you can see it, if you can see the code in there. If you don't see it, please let us know. Yes, the code is already there. It's 7GXQI. You're welcome. 7GXQI is the code for you to enter, for you to play, and for you to start put this little mouse to work, to make some exercise in there. I'm just there a little bit. It's the code is right there, 7GXQI. Thank you, Caroline. Can you enter? Was it successful to enter for you? So 7GXQI is the code. So I see that Caroline is there, Avril is there, Faye is there, Alejandra is there, Emmy is there, María de Sexto A is there, Orlando, está Eduardo, Sebas, Mau Cuenca, Julissa is there, Avril. So go ahead and tell me who's there. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready to start the activity? The first activity, it is like a mind game, because you will see an image to connect the dots. You have 9 dots and you have to use 4 straight lines to connect all of these dots. If you can see, you have a problem. What is the problem? That the dots are separately, so you need to put it together. How can you do it? They are giving you an instruction. You only have to use 4 straight lines. No more. Only 4 straight lines is the one that you can use to solve the problem. So I will play this one. You will have 5 minutes to think in a solution and to draw your answer, and we will see it in there. If you're not so sure about the answer, don't worry. There is no wrong answers. There is no Like there is no right or wrong answer. Just pay attention, like you need to connect these 9 dots with 4 straight lines. How can you do that? How can you connect these 9 separately dots with 4 straight lines? I already started, don't worry. So think it through. How can I connect it? How can I make this? You have 4 minutes. I see that some of you paint the dots very good. Very, very good. Yes, you have to paint the dots. I mean, it doesn't say in the instruction, but you have to paint it to connect it. So how can you connect it? You have to use 4 straight lines to connect all the dots. How can you do it? Use your creativity, use your imagination, and tell me how. I see some of the draws in here. Face in progress, Karen is in progress, Cami is in progress. Remember, you need to connect all the dots. You can do like a square, but then you are going to leave a little dot here, so that's not the 9 dots. So how can you connect these 9 dots with 4 straight lines? It's not allowed to make curves. You only have to use straight lines. So how can you do it? How can you make this? Use your creativity. We're like putting creativity to work here today. Let me see. I have there some draws in process. Cami's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cami, are you sure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's one more. You have to use 4. Remember. Let's see who else do we have here. Ruben is drawing. Josue is in progress also. Mau is in progress. Max. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. That's a way to do it. Very good. Fed is in progress also. Your time is almost over, guys. Your time is almost over. Time is running. You have 1 minute and 50 seconds. Show me those rows. Show me those rows. And if that's your like final, wait. No 5. No. 4 straight lines only. No 5. I see that Abril says finish. Let me see. Leo has this answer already. You have the answer also, Sebas. Very good. Maria, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Very good. Faye, you had a lot of draws in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, you have 4. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all the dots are in there. Excellent. 1 minute. The people who are missing the dots. Oh, Abril, very good. You paste the picture in there. Excellent. Josue, let me see. Oh, it's so small. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 there. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sebas, nice job. As you can see right there, 32 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. Hurry up, hurry up. As you can see, there's a lot of, copy paste. There's a lot of options in there. I mean, it doesn't say like it has to be just one line. Let me see, Orlando. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. You make it with 4 straight lines. Nice job. As you can see, there's a lot of different options in there. It's about your creativity. time is over. Nice job, kiddos. I really like it. I really like your options. Very good. And I gave you like some answers, and I think some of you made this, but I don't remember who. Maria, right? Maria has like this pattern right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. But you made a lot of options in there, and that's nice because I only have this one, and you see a whole new options. Now let's go with something more difficult right there. We have this one. You need to connect 16 dots now using 6 lines. So go ahead, you have 5 minutes again. You have to connect these 16 dots using only 6 lines. Use your creativity. Make the best of it. How can you connect these 16 dots into 6 lines? Like, how can I regroup this? Let's put the creativity to work. How can I make this work? How can I make this problem to solve? 16 dots using 6 lines. Go ahead. I will leave it there because I can see that somebody is copying and pasting the image, and that is nice because you can base the draw with the dots. So go ahead and tell me. I see some of you already started. Seba send it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, some of you already made it. I will like put this because I don't want anyone to copy. I know you will never copy. It's not some like 6th graders do. You don't copy. Remember, you have time. You have 3 minutes left. So how can you do it? How can you connect these 16 lines into 6 with 6 lines? Teacher, see mine, please. I will. Let's see. I have you wonder. I have a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Very good. And as you can see, I already sent it. I already delivered it. Very good. And as you can see, there's a lot of options also, because you don't have to like use the same line. You can use a bunch of different lines, but they have to be like six different lines to connect these 16 dots. Use your creativity. As you can see, there's a problem right there again. And you have to solve it, but they are giving you a clue. They are giving you a clue. You have to connect it by using 6 lines. So how can I do it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice, Faye. Very good. Leo, it's also finished. Abril, finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. Oh, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good, Camille. Sebastian is in progress. Max send it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Amy finished also. He made 6 lines. Faye also made 6 lines. So as you can see, we're not working in an artwork per se. It's not like we're not painting, or we're not writing, or we're not like making a composition of a song. We just have to connecting dots, and that's how the creativity enters. How can I connect it? How can I solve the problem? Let's see. I see that Abril says mine is correct. There's no right or wrong answers here. It's like up to you. How do you solve it? I see Maria 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Orlando Orlando. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Max, very good. 1, 2. Eduardo is in progress. Juwon is in progress also. Julissa, 1, 2, 3. It's in progress. Sebas already sent it. Paula, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the dots are, well, yes. You're not missing any dot. Very good. See, again, there's a lot of new options. 28 seconds, kiddos. Your time is almost over. Mao, teacher see mine. Where is yours? Max, Maria, Sebas, Abril, Camila, Sebas. Where is yours, Mao? I don't see it. Alejandra, Max, Lara, Leo. Is it here? I don't see it. Time is over. I put like an option. An option for the answer. And the option for the answer, it could be this one. So if you made like a little arrow and a triangle, you connect the whole dots. All the dots can be connected if you make like this. But you create a lot of options in there, so you put your creativity to work. Next one, and this one, I really like it. I really like the next one because as you can see there, you have a cloud, a light bulb, a sock, a joystick, and a flower. You have to combine them into one object. You have to create a new object with these 5 different objects. The drawing can be something literal or it can be abstract. You can even alter the size. So if you need to be like the socks needs to be bigger or the flower or the cloud, you can make it bigger. You can rotate them. You can add new elements, but you have to create one single object into this using these 5 different objects. How can you create one object? I mean, it doesn't have to be like useful because we're not going to use it, but we are using our creativity, we are using our imagination to work with this. Create one object using these 5 different objects, okay? A cloud, a light bulb, a sock, a joystick, and a flower. How can I work with this? How can I make a new object using this? And you will put in the comments when you finish, like, I made this, and we can use it for, I don't know, you can name it. Name your object. Try it to name it. Because it can be very hard to name something. I mean, some people can even name their dogs. I see some of you working. Very good. Remember, you have to add these 5 objects right there. A cloud, a light bulb, a joystick, a flower, and a sock. You have to combine them into one single object. Seba says finish. Nice. Sock genius. Combine them. Use your imagination, use your creativity to combine these 2. Finish, and Abril finish also because she's laughing. Some of you are coloring, very good. Abril made this, the useful control. So she put the light bulb, she put the socket, she put the flower and the cloud. If you think about it, if you use like the cloud, so it's a flower that is, sorry, I don't want to put, I misclick it. So you had the joystick here, the flower, you have like The light bulb there. I don't see the. No, I'm sorry, it's a cloud. And the flower is right there. Nice. I have here El Colga Calcetines by Orlando. Maybe this is the cloud, maybe this is the light bulb, I think. The flower, the joystick, and the sock. Because it's hanging there. The Sock Genius by Sebastian. We have the cloud here, we have the sock, we have the flower, the light bulb, and the joystick. Nice. Who else finished? Mo Baez. A charger. We have the joystick here. The cloud. the sock, I think. This is the sock. Where's the light bulb? I don't see it. I don't see the flower either. Or maybe this is the flower. Like the complete flower. Sebas, nice. We have the cloud here, the sock, the light bulb, the joystick. So guys, this is important. Sock Genius is a smart puppet that flies in a cloud and uses a joystick as a tail. Guys, when we make this by processing a collection of random objects and consolidating or making them into a whole, like you are doing it right now, you are training your brain to take random, incoherent information and search for patterns. In other words, you are giving order to chaos in there. We have Ganesh draw, we have like the flower, the light bulb, the sock. Paula. Qué difícil, says Vane. The dirty hat. Nice. So yes, it could be difficult, but that's the important thing here. That's the main thing right there. Some people say creativity has nothing to do with innovation, that innovation is a discipline, implying that creativity is not. And we disagree, because creativity is also a discipline and a crucial part of the innovation equation, because there is no innovation without creativity. And the key metric that when we measure these things, it's that creativity and innovation is a value creation. So both of them are creation. Creativity is the creation of an idea or an object that is both novel and useful. Creativity is a new idea that has value in solving a problem. It is very important that we know that creativity can be used to solve a problem or an object that is new or it's useful. It could be from composing a piece of music to painting a mural, to to solve a problem or to create new things. So if you are doing like an experiment and you want to find out why something doesn't go the way you want it, it really takes a new level of creativity to solve that kind of problem. So I have a question for you. When or where do you currently use your creativity? Put on your comments, write on the comments, when or where do you currently use your creativity? Like, I don't know, I can give you an examples, but I don't want you, because I want you to think like, when do you currently use your creativity? Like right now. Seba says, when I draw. You are using the creativity right now when you are drawing. What else? In art and music. Maria Fernanda says to solve problems every day. Orlando says, and most art. Avril says, when you are on danger, on a project, or only to have fun. Ale says, when I draw. Leo says, when I draw. And Seba says, and I'm drawing right now. So he's using the creativity right now. Vanessa says, when I draw in my iPad. That's right. Some of you only use your creativity or only like realize that they are using the creativity. Lalo says painting, Paula says all the time, very good. In music, Leo says in my projects, Caroline says in the school, Amy says when I play, when you play an instrument, when you play on a game, when you play when. Julissa says in some homeworks, Josue says when I draw, Leo says when I cook. Nice. First of all, nice that you cook. Second of all, nice that you use your creativity to work, to cook. Josue says music. Abril says when we have problems in a game. So yes, you can use a creativity not only for drawing or to do creativity things or like art things. You can use your creativity to solve problems or to do homeworks or to be more useful when you are making homework. I have another one for you. Who or what inspires your creativity? What inspires you? Who or what? Like you're making a homework and you don't have inspiration. And then you think about, I don't know, Seba says me. That's what inspires him. You are making a homework and you have a lot of troubles to do that. So what inspires you? Or you have a problem and you cannot solve it? What inspires you and make like your creativity to bump? Vanessa says, I don't know. Abril says other people, my family, friends, animals. Leo says music. Abril says other people. Paula says everything. And Lalo says por dos. Mau says games. The thing that I'm going to do and the fruits I am going to do or music. A movie or series. That's what you inspires. Like when you are sitting doing, Josue says me. Faith says the free time, I think that if I get it, I will have more time. Leo says the environment. Julissa says my parents. Nice. You can make like other people that inspires you. Like I want to be with like them, or I want to be like I want to inspire them, or I want to make them proud. I am inspired by me, says Sebastian. Abril says the school. The school inspires you. Nice. Very good. I have another question for you. I have when or where you would like to use more your creativity. Caroline says the life inspires her. When you would like to use more creativity. Liceo gave us a lot of creativity. That is right. Liceo gives the opportunity for you to think in how to solve the problems. But now that you say like, I only use my creativity to do paintings or to do like home cooking, but I would like to use my creativity to what? Vane says in the homeworks. You would like to be more creative when you make homeworks. Mau says drawing. Lalo says art. You want to be more creative when you painting. Nice. On my project, says Abril. On my projects, in my problems only. Leo says projects and drawing. Julissa says in the school and homework. Mauricio says in the summatives. It requires a lot of creativity to work on that problems. Seba says draw in homeworks or creating videos. Very good, creating videos. You can use your creativity to do like a lot of things. Vanessa is also in the works of projects and summatives. Yes. In some summatives you don't have inspiration. You don't have anything like what can I do? How can I solve this problem? Well, that's an option. Maria Fernanda says in my homework and in some projects. Paula says when I do my own things. Like what kind of things? In what kind of things you would like to be more creative? Caroline says in the school or to solve something. Nice. So guys, as I can see on the clock, we will not have time to do the last activity. But it is nice for you that you like go your mind and like pay attention on how or where or like in what kind of things you want to be more creative. It is super important that like you know that the creativity is not only for art projects, it's not only for, oh, I want to make, I think I have 5 to 10 of creativity. I think I have 9.98 to 10 of creativity. So you know already that the creativity is not only for like for art or for like writing music or doing videos. Creativity can be used for a lot of things. How can we put this on work? Like, how can I make my creativity flows? That's up to you to know it. Like, research, how can I make my creativity flows? The people who are saying like you have 5 out of 10s and 7 out of 10, how can you go to 10? How can you make yourself more creative? I had a problem and I didn't like that I didn't have the time, but I will give you my homework. I have a problem. The problem is that the leash of my dog and the leash of a lot of people, usually when you are walking your dog is crazy. I know some of you know my dog. Some of you know Ramon. And Ramon is crazy. So Ramon, when is walking, when you're walking, as you can see, it's right there at some place. So, I know. I just go with this. The problem here is, like, I know that some of you have the problem with the leash. Like, it happens this. It twists because the dog is walking and running and doing a lot of different things. So, you are like walking and fighting with your dog. So, the problem is the leash. How can I make the improvement that the dog doesn't make this thing, like doesn't go around my legs? That's a problem. That's a problem that you need to solve, and you're going to solve it and you're going to send it to my email because we don't have more time. So how can you solve the leash problem? How can I make this to like avoid this problem? How can I make this avoid to happen? My dog is like that. Run faster. So you have to be creative. How can I avoid like my dog go around me? How can I avoid this? Dale comida. And I will leave you for you to think and to work on your creativity. So have a nice day. It was nice to see you. I will see you 6 or 8 at 12 o'clock. The rest of you, I will see you tomorrow. Hoy, go and have your breakfast con comida. Well, if your dogs like food, maybe. Bye, kiddos. I will see you next time. I hope you like my presentation. Well, not my presentation. The work that we have today with you. Bye.
Hola a todos, yo soy Roberto.
Y yo soy Ilse.
Y estamos aquí para invitarlos todos los viernes a las 9:30 de la mañana a su programa Fuxon,
en donde nos vamos a entrar en todo lo relacionado a la literatura y a sus escritores.
Todo esto y más solamente en Fuxon.